Hello, good evening, guys. I'm Arjun, and today I'm here to talk about India. And today's you can see and you can examine, you can identify that every country is trying to defeat India, is trying to holding back India. Why it's happening? Why is it happening? There are so many reasons behind it because first of all, India is improving his financial condition day by day steadily. And second thing, the person of the people of India are growing every day by day in education sector, in professional sector, in mechanical sector, in intelligence sector. And first of all, you can check on Google also. It is that most of the Indians are doing job in abroad. But the thing is that why other countries holding back? Why other countries are holding back are holding India back? Are holding India back? Why? Because if we take if we take an example of Pakistan, if we take an example of China, if we take an example of Bangladesh, even though he is our son, it is our son, Bangladesh. And every time he thinks to hurt India, every time it thinks to hurt India, even he is our son. And in 1971, we helped it to separate Pakistan, because that time Pakistani were creating problem for them. So they came to us, and they prayed our Prime Minister Indira Gandhi that time, please help us. So Indira Gandhi went there, and he decided, he took a decision, and he helped Bangladesh, and then finally separated she separated both countries like Pakistan and Bangladesh. So first of all, people know, because India has a big, uh, big. We can say like India is rich in culture. India is rich in knowledge. India is rich in farming. India is rich in tradition. India is rich in food system. India is rich in like hospitality. So every aspect of life we live, India is rich than any other countries. So first reason is the same, that because people are trying to create problem for ourselves, so that we could not move on, we could not grow, we could not improve our situation, we could not enhance our condition, we could not do vesting. And if we talk about like if we talk about if I talk about America, so there is a recent report that American girls and England's and UK girls are UK girls want to marry Indian guys. Why? Because they know very well that their husband and their boyfriend uh, are not giving time for themselves, for them. They always deceive them. And when it comes to Indian guys, so Indian guy, if an Indian loves a girl or his wife, he is 100% available for his girlfriend or his wife. So whenever Indian go to another country and he comes to a guy, even if we talk about like Indian girl, Indian guy goes to America and he comes to a girl, and then finally will girl would like to marry with this guy, marry the Indian guy. So this is the India. And if we talk about like religions, so many more religions are available in India, and there is no discrimination among all religions. There is no discrimination among all religions. We respect all religion. You can find Hindu here, you can find Muslim here, you can find Sikhism, you can find Buddhism, you can find Jainism, you can find Isai, you can find. There are many more religions here. And if we talk about another country, so they are not secular country. India is a secular country. They apply monopoly. They want to enhance only one religion. So first of all, and I'm proud of myself that I'm an Indian, because Indian guys are very rich with the heart. They are very kind. And if we talk about American, if we talk about abroad, the people in their country are drinking alcohol, are doing wrong things, and with another girls, with another boys, and even though they are in relationship with another person, and they are wasting them with another person. So what's happening? What's happening here? What's happening here? Okay, let's come. So I would like to say that India is the most trouble country. Thank you. Bye bye.